I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious buns using baking powder. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Also, have 4 tablespoons of cold butter and 3/4 of a cup of milk ready. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius before you begin. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar until well combined. Next, cut your 4 tablespoons of cold butter into small pieces and use your fingertips or a pastry blender to work it into the dry mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, pour in the 3/4 of a cup of milk, mixing gently until a soft dough forms. With your dough ready, it's time to prepare it for baking. Lightly flour a clean work surface and turn out your dough. Gently knead it for about 1 minute, just enough to bring it together smoothly. Then, roll the dough to approximately 1 inch thick. Using a 2-inch round cutter, cut out your individual buns. You should get about 8 to 10 buns from this recipe, depending on the size of your cutter. Almost there. Carefully place your shaped buns onto a baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top and cooked through. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly on a wire rack. These delicious, fluffy buns are best served warm with a pat of butter, some jam, or any topping you desire. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.